Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Code Artist, and today we are going to see a beautiful drop down menu bar with a beautiful animation effect, and after that I will explain the code part from top to bottom, every line from first line to last line, and I will provide the source code file in the description below, a GitHub file in the description below, and do not miss the code part, otherwise you will get error. I will tell you from where to copy the code, what to copy, where to paste, so do not miss that part. Okay, so without any wastage of timing, we will see what we are going to do today, or what we are going to make today. Okay, I've already opened that to avoid any wastage of timing. So I will show you that on clicking over it. See the animation effect. It first horizontally slide, then vertically slide. Okay, it first horizontally slide, then vertically slide. You can see the effect. Yeah, and beautiful animation video. You can customize these all things according to your project. It's not necessary that just copy and paste my code. I want you all that please customize the code according to your project, like and just use a gradient color in the background. Maybe you are using some dark theme or light theme in your project, and according to your layout. So make sure this menu bar will look good according to your project. Okay, so do not forget to customize. Like if you are using some light, so make it a white color or any other color. If you are using dark theme, so make its color according to your dark theme. Make this text color white, or any other things, any other color. Okay, so do not forget to customize. Do not just blindly copy and paste my code, otherwise your project will not look good. It will not make a good effect. Okay, so I think you are a beginner or experienced, you can easily do these all things. It's not a big task. Yeah, and guys, one more thing. If you think that I'm providing some good content to you, so please kindly support my channel, and I will continuously provide such type of content on my channel. Per day I will make 2-3 videos on my channel. Okay, so without any wastage of timing, let's move to the code part, and I will explain the code from first line to last line, and I will provide the description link in the description below, code link in the description. Okay, so this is the code part, guys. Okay, you can see I'm using React icons for icons. Like you saw these icons. For these icons I am using React icons. So if you are familiar with, or if you like to use React icons, you can use React icons. Otherwise, if you think it taking too much space in your project, so you can use SVG file or any other format of files in your project. I think you know about these all things. Okay, so it's your choice. You can use, or you can go through the React icons. Okay, and here I defined a function, handler click function, that is for this use state hook is active and set is active. Okay, and here is the all code, all the access code. Okay, here is the classes I defined, navigation item and user box mg. Okay, I will show you the CSS code also. These are things, these are the navigation. Just replace it with if you are using SVG, just replace this according to your use. Okay, and here is the code file. Here is the CSS code file. I commented out these all, just commented. Okay, and use in your project. Just copy and paste in your project. And here I am using Ubuntu font in my project. So if you think if you are using some other font family, just replace it with your font family. Okay, and just you can change the style. Also you can change the height and width according to your use. Okay, and side also, and the color, and you can change all colors according to your use, according to your project, what suit your project. Okay, so no need to copy just my code. Use your customization. Make sure to customize these all things according to your project. Do not just copy and paste my project, otherwise it will not make a good effect in your project. Maybe it can, but in more cases it will not make a good effect. Customize it according to your use, your project. Okay, and this all guys, I try to cover every part in this video, and I will provide this file in the description below. I will not provide my whole project. I will provide this file only all css and jxs. That's a need of your project. So just copy it from here and paste it in your project. Okay, and okay, thanks guys. I will try my best to cover all things. If you think I forget something, so please comment it below. I will cover that also, and please support my channel also. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot.